Greetings and welcome to another Adventure Link thing where we got my nephew Jase and his mommy playing RC cars. This time with that RC self-service buffet truck that I recently got on review. Yay! And of course, if it will be, as it was your birthday, congratulations, happy birthday. Make it a good one. And thanks in advance for your support for me and my channel, past, present, and future, be it by watching this and other videos I put up on YouTube. Sharing it with your friends, family, and all that. Visiting your website, rate, comment, subscribe here on YouTube. It helps tell YouTube if I'm doing a good job or not, as well as boost telemetry, search engagement, video engagement, awareness on YouTube, Facebook, Google, and other search engines, and all that good stuff. Hit the subscribe button. You can see any new videos I put up on YouTube, be it in your weekly YouTube newsfeed and on your weekly YouTube, or in your daily YouTube newsfeed and weekly YouTube email. Hit the bell button and you can see any new videos I put up on YouTube. And lastly, you can donate to my medical bills. The links are in the video description. Any amount helps out. And as Gaines from the Grave would say, it helps to keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Jase, you're not supposed to push the car like that, bud. You're supposed to control it with the remote. Look at Mom. Look what Mom's doing. Here, buddy. Jase, there you go. You can play with this. You don't have to push it around.
Nope. If you push the button?
Yeah, you gotta push the buttons on the remote, bud.
Push the button.
Oh, he dropped it. That happened. Hey, all the repairs I made to it still works. You know, like the power switch. It still works. Yay.
There you go.
Look at him go chasing the little car around. You know, you can also push the buttons up on the controller too, like it'll make the music stop. Yeah, it makes a different sound now, buddy. Boom! Moments like this, I wish I had my camera stand on the remote again. Whatever. Oh, you dropped it. That's no good. You're not supposed to drop it. You're supposed to play with it.
We had my buddy John sent me there.
Boy, girl, I don't know.
Yes.
Probably a girl.
You're 100% correct. He's having a girl. For being 17 years old, he's having a baby girl.
Huh. Uh-oh. Jase, tow me out, buddy. Uncle Joe got us, Uncle Adventure Link here got himself stuck. Thank you. You know, it's kind of hard to try to control this one-handed here. I wish I had my stand. If I had my stand, that'd be great. If I could have someone holding the camera, that'd be great too. But I try to do things myself whenever possible on YouTube. Oh, sorry, bud. I ran over your fingers. Oh, well. It's all good. I hope. Ah, shoot. I ran over the cat food. Darn it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the car's getting away, buddy. It's getting away from you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you better chase the car, buddy. You better chase it. You better chase it. It's getting away from you. Not bad for a 500 milliamp hour battery. All this time, it's still going. Uh-oh, it's stuck. He's got it. Boom! Boom! Hey, Jase. Hey, buddy. Fist bump? Or you want to play? You want to play? Yeah, you push the button, bud. You push this button up here to make it go up forwards and backwards, bud. Oh, well, he went off to do something else. Oh, well, it's been Adventure Link and his nephew Jase filming another YouTube video once again. I'm going to close this video with the white version of Wisdom from America Car Guy. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting my channel. Have a good one.